Hello, welcome to the Driver Mod. My name's Anthony, and in this video we're going to be installing the Performance Carbon Parts Dark Horse Handling Pack carbon fiber wing on the S650. Got the S650 right there. We do have their carbon performance pack wing on here. It's a direct bolt-on. Both wings are direct bolt-ons. They reutilize the factory mounting points. They added a couple additional mounting points that don't require any drilling if you have a factory spoiler option, whether it's the low lip spoiler or all the way up through the Dark Horse spoilers. They all mount in basically the same exact spots. The fit and finish is fantastic, and the carbon fiber weave is flawless as well. It's sitting right there ready to be installed, but first we got to get this wing off. Refer to my S650 spoiler removal video. I'll link that in the description below, as well as up in the corner, so you can see how to remove one of these wings, whether you have the lip spoiler, the performance pack spoiler, or a Dark Horse spoiler. They all come off in basically the same way. You're going to detach the trunk spoiler module from the trunk to get access to the mounting points that are inside the spoiler module itself, and then reverse the process. So again, refer to that video. We're just going to speed through this. I'm going to get this wing off and then get the Dark Horse spoiler on the car. All right, guys, and just like that, probably not even 5 minutes later, this wing is off. That was one thing and one huge selling point of the Performance Carbon Parts wings. They are exactly what a direct bolt-on means. Literally no modifications needed. I've seen some of these other aftermarket wings, and while they might be cheaper, you have to do some drilling, modification, some assembly required, doesn't fit right. Weird stuff, guys. And honestly, now that these Mustangs are, a base GT is 40 grand, with no options. You get a mid-level trim, a premium, you're talking 50, you get a premium performance pack, you're getting close to, if not north of $60,000. I, for one, am not going to put a $200 to $300, $500, $600 cheap looking, cheap fitting, poor fitting wing on my car. That's just me. Maybe I'm the only one, but we've got it off, and now, and I bet in about 5 minutes, we're gonna have the Dark Horse wing on that spoiler module. These wings are so easy to install. I actually did a live stream on YouTube installing one for only the second time. Did a full live stream removal and installation of one of these wings, because that's how simple they are to do. Anything can happen, and in a live stream, there is no editing, no funny business. We literally showed you how easy these wings come off and how easy the Performance Carbon Parts wings follow the exact same steps in reverse to get them back on the car. All right, guys, here she is, the Performance Carbon Parts matte carbon Dark Horse Handling Pack replica wing. It looks absolutely incredible. The wing is about, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces. That gurney flap is removable, and as you'll see, we've got dark hardware to mount the wing so they don't stand out like the stainless does for the mounting points. Alignment studs converted into mounting points, so you've got 5 mounting points, so more mounting points than the OEM, and versus those 2 clips, you have a bolt. Way more secure, way more rigid, way more sturdy, and damn, guys, way better looking. Let's get this on the car. We've got a storm moving in, but that's how easy these things are to install. We're gonna beat the storm. Here we go, let's go. There it is, ladies and gentlemen, on the car. Beat the storm. Bam. The Performance Carbon Parts Dark Horse Handling Pack spoiler is on the S650. There we go. Man, that looks really good. All the flat matte black trim matches the matte carbon. Excellent. It goes with our matte carbon wing on the GT350. And just need to lower this thing a little bit, get some of the other things. We have some carbon coming, more carbon coming for the car. We've got the Roush supercharger coming for the car. Get a front splitter. We'll be good to go. But what do you think, guys? Look at this. Flawless weave. I don't see one imperfection. The matte finish is beautiful. The dark hardware doesn't stand out. it bolted right up. I mean, this is what you're paying for, guys. You're getting a high quality piece that goes directly on your car. No fuss. I mean, we know it's Florida. We know how these storms can move. We had a storm coming, but we still sent it and we got the wing on the car with plenty of time to spare. So, comment on this video, guys. Let me know what you think. And if you want to save 5% on your Performance Carbon Parts Dark Horse Handling Pack wing, use promo code TDM5 and you're going to save 5% off this. That code will work on the gloss, matte, or forged options. It also works on their carbon PP1 wing that we had at the beginning of this video. Anyway, thanks a lot, guys, and go get your wing from Performance Carbon Parts.